Let's move on now. The video that seems to be going viral that we are going to put out just days after that there was a shocking case of intolerance in Karnataka where students were made to remove their Janeyu and they cover the sacred thread during an examination. Now a video of the government-run bus driver has gone viral for stopping the bus to offer namaz mid-road while the passengers remain on board the bus watching. Now, the Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation bus driver who is facing official scrutiny after he halted a government bus along the roadside to perform namaz. As the incident which has taken place on the Hubballi-Haveri route that was captured on video by a passenger and has now subsequently gone viral. And in this video, the driver can be seen seated inside the bus wearing his uniform, offering namaz with several passengers observing the same. Outside, the traffic continued to flow normally as the bus remained stationary. But following the video going viral, Karnataka Transport Minister has now ordered for an immediate inquiry. And in this official communication to the management, the minister emphasized that the public service employees are required to adhere strictly when it comes to the established rules and regulations. While acknowledging that every individual's right to religious practice, he stated that such activities should not occur during work hours, particularly when they disrupt services for passengers.
At the time of on duty, bus was moving. He should not stop and pray. That is wrong. I told our MD to take disciplinary action.
However, the Transport Department has initiated a departmental inquiry to determine the circumstances and motivation behind this driver's actions, as the officials have indicated that appropriate disciplinary measures will be taken if the investigation finds that the driver was at fault, and steps would be taken to implement to prevent such similar incidents in the future. Neha is connected with us right now. Neha, as far as this video that has gone now viral on social media, that has triggered sharp reactions coming in from the public as well, discussions about the propriety of religious observance, especially when it comes to official duty hours.
Well, of course, absolutely. Now the circumstances under which this particular person here concerned, in fact, was offering prayers there. That's something, of course, that the transport minister there says that, of course, even though it's on duty, this is something that an internal inquiry, of course, would be ordered into. Like you rightly mentioned, this is a video that has been going viral there now, raising questions about, how this is being allowed on duty and what really were the circumstances, even as the passengers of that bus, of course, stood there watching on. So we'll really, of course, have to wait and see right now. This is something the Transport Minister has also said, that shouldn't ideally be allowed as far as, on working hours is concerned.
Right, but Neha, as far as the brief stoppage is also concerned, that would have caused an unscheduled delay for the passengers that has prompted such criticism and an inquiry now too.
Well, absolutely rightly so. Of course, if at all the passengers here in this case were put to such kind of inconvenience, given that the bus had to be halted until, of course, this man here was done praying his, offering his prayers. It understandably so, of course, does go on there to create a kind of inconvenience for the passengers. That's also something, that's another reason why the Transport Minister, of course, in fact, stressed there, saying that, on duty, such things shouldn't ideally be allowed. We'll really, of course, have to wait and see. An internal probe has been ordered, is what he's also mentioned. What comes out of that? Why was it that, this man, of course, over here was seen offering prayers inside the bus? And all of this is something that, of course, would come out in the coming days, given that an inquiry has been ordered.
All right. Neha, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. As far as this video that has now gone viral, however, when it comes to a lot of criticism that can also be seen because of the unscheduled delay, because of the passengers there who were on board while the driver was performing his prayers, has now invited an inquiry. Remains to be seen what comes out from that. We'll get you more on that back after a very short break. You're watching Times Now.